You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. In this tutorial, we will explore the fascinating figure of speech, synecdoche, and how it enhances writing. Our objectives follow Bloom's taxonomy to guide you from recognition to creation. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify, analyze, and creatively use synecdoche in speech and writing. Think of a phrase or expression in which a part represents the whole or the whole represents a part. Imagine the scenario: a sail on the sea representing a whole ship, and a pair of hands working representing a worker. For example, saying all hands on deck means all crew members, not just their hands. What is a synecdoche? A synecdoche is a figure of speech where a part represents the whole or the whole represents a part. For example, England lost by 6 wickets means the English cricket team lost by 6 wickets. Identify the synecdoche in these sentences. The strings refer to musicians. Secondly, the movies refers to the theatre. Third, Kleenex refers to facial tissues. What do the underlined words refer to in the examples of synecdoche? First one, the classroom represents the students inside it. Second, the orchestra represents the individual musicians. Third, tongue represents the person's speech. What are the forms of synecdoche? Synecdoche has 2 forms. A part representing the whole, example, wheels are for a car, and a whole representing a part, for example, the world for its people. Match the parts with their corresponding wholes. Head matches with entire person. Bread matches with a whole meal. Sails match with the entire ship. ABCs match with the entire alphabet. Match the wholes with their corresponding parts. The world matches with the people or society. The people matches with individual officers. The Huffington Post matches with journalists or writers. The Pentagon matches with military leaders or officials. Let's identify the similarities and differences between synecdoche and metonymy. Synecdoche and metonymy both involve a substitution, but synecdoche replaces a whole with a part or vice versa. Example, ivories for a piano, while metonymy uses a related term to represent something else. Example, the White House for the US government. Classify the given sentences as synecdoche or metonymy. First one, metonymy, Hollywood stands for the film industry. Second one, synecdoche, boots represent soldiers. Third, metonymy, suits refers to business executives. Fourth, synecdoche, bread represents needs. Why use synecdoche? Synecdoche is used to add conciseness, create strong imagery, and make language more vivid and poetic. Fill in the blanks with suitable parts of the wholes given in the brackets. First one, ink. Second, jerseys. Third, flames. Fourth, leaves. Synecdoche is commonly used in poetry and rhetoric to emphasize key ideas. For instance, in O Captain, My Captain by Walt Whitman, the word kneel, a part of the ship, symbolizes the entire vessel, highlighting its stability and movement. Similarly, in Julius Caesar, Shakespeare's famous line, "Lend me your ears," uses ears to represent the entire person, emphasizing attentive listening. In Ozymandias by Percy B. Shelley, the hand that mocked them refers to the sculptor, with the hand symbolizing the creator's craftsmanship. These examples illustrate how Synecdoche enhances literary expression, making descriptions more engaging and impactful. Rewrite the following sentences using Synecdoche. First one, the badge stopped my car. Badge represents a police officer. The kitchen was busy tonight. Kitchen represents restaurant staff. Can I have your hand in marriage? The hand represents the person. Synecdoche in journalism and news media. Silicon Valley represents the tech industry in technology news reports. Wall Street represents the financial sector in business reports. Press represents media outlets in entertainment media coverage. Frame sentences using given Synecdoche representations. First, the white bread stroked his chin. The white beard stroked his chin thoughtfully, recalling tales of the past. The lips delivered the company's official statement with confidence. Third, the investigator exposed a white-collar criminal involved in a fraud. Fourth, the gloves delivered a powerful knockout in the final round. Infer meaning from Synecdochic expressions. First, people celebrated with drinks. Second, the congregation in a church listened quietly. Third, the court delivered a judgment in his favor. Identify and explain the effect of Synecdoche in the given excerpt. The silver screen, representing the film industry, concisely encapsulates cinema's influence. Follow the Peel method to evaluate the author's use of Synecdoche in The Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Point: Coleridge employs the Synecdoche to enhance the imagery and symbolism. Evidence: in the phrase, the western wave, the wave refers to the whole sea. Explanation: Synecdoche makes the imagery more vivid and dynamic. Link: the Synecdoche makes the scene more picturesque and emotionally resonant. Let's apply our knowledge by writing a creative piece using Synecdoche. That's it for now. Thanks for joining this journey into the world of Synecdoche. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together.